Good morning, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to describe data using the mean, the median, and the range. So hopefully you just completed the experiment where you were trying to hold your breath for as long as you possibly could. Now, the data right here is a random sample of students and the amount of time they were able to hold their breath for in seconds. So if you look at all the data, when it's all muddled together like this, no pattern really emerges. So one way we can see what kind of patterns are there is by calculating the mean, the median, and the range. And then later on, we'll see if there's any potential outliers. So to calculate the mean, you basically add up all the different values that you see there. So you'll need a calculator for that. So when you add up all those values, you get a total of 834. Now, n, the little case n here, represents the number of samples. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 total possible samples. All right, so 834 divided by 15, use our calculator, will give you 55.6. That means on average, using the mean, students were able to hold their breath for about 55.6 seconds. Now, the good thing about the mean is it uses all the numbers. The bad thing about the mean is it's highly influenced by really, really high values or really, really low values. So I'm sure you've seen this person right here that could only hold their breath for 10 seconds. That might influence this data. Another way of describing the data is by looking at the median. Now, to find the median, you have to put all the numbers, all the data in order, from least to greatest. Now, I know that I have 15 sets of data, or 15 points. So the median is always going to be the value in the very middle. So because we have 15 values, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then there must be 7 on the other side. So the one in the middle must be the 8th value right there. So the median value is always going to be the one smack bang in that middle. So in this case, it's going to be 58. Now, if I had an even number of values, like let's say I got rid of that 72 right there, then what I would do is I would find the two middle values, I would add them together, and then I would divide them by 2. Now, the range is a measure of spread. It's like how far the data is from the lowest to the highest. So the range is always going to be the maximum, subtract the minimum. So in this case, the maximum is 72, the minimum is 10, so our range is going to be 62. Now, with regards to outliers, for this course, we'll be eyeballing it. So if you look at the data here, when it's in numerical order, now we can kind of see that the only possible outlier might be 10, because that does seem to be quite far away from the rest of the values. So 10 is a possible outlier. Now, sometimes when we do graphs, we can see more obvious if the outliers are present, but we'll save that for the next video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed learning about the mean, the median, and the range. It's really not that straightforward. I mean, it really is that straightforward. So good luck with that. But if you have any questions, please reach out to any of us. All right, thanks very much. See you later.